Welcome to our channel, where we help you navigate your Lawn Love provider account verification with ease. Welcome to our channel, where we help you navigate your Lawn Love provider account verification with ease. If you are new to Lawn Love as a service provider, verifying your account is an essential first step to start receiving job requests and payments securely. This guide will walk you through the verification process step by step, so you can get your Lawn Love provider account up and running quickly and confidently. First, sign into your Lawn Love provider account on their official website or mobile app. Once logged in, navigate to your profile settings or account dashboard, where you will find a section dedicated to verification. The system will usually prompt you to verify your identity to meet state and company regulations, ensuring safety and trust on the platform. In this section, you'll be asked to provide official documents verifying your identity. This often includes a valid government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Make sure your documents are current, clear, and easy to read. Next, upload your proof of residency if required, such as a utility bill or bank statement that matches your account address. This helps confirm your location for service territory compliance. You may also need to provide additional documentation related to your business, such as insurance proof or business licenses, depending on your state requirements or Lawn Love policies. After you have submitted all required documents, review them carefully before sending to ensure everything is accurate and legible. Once submitted, the Lawn Love team will review your documents. This verification process can take from a few hours up to several days, depending on volume and the completeness of your submission. During this waiting period, you can prepare by reviewing Lawn Love's guidelines and tips for providers to maximize your success on the platform. Once your account is verified, you will receive a confirmation notification. From here, you can start accepting job offers, managing your schedule, and receiving payments securely through the platform. Remember, keeping your account data up to date and renewing your verification documents as needed will help maintain a seamless working experience. Following these steps carefully will ensure your Lawn Love provider account is verified swiftly and correctly, so you can focus on delivering excellent lawn care services. Thank you for watching this beginner-friendly guide to verifying your Lawn Love provider account. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video to support more helpful content like this.